So I have my shirt right here, and I'm going to be getting the wrinkles out of the shirt using a steamer. I'm going to show you how to use this steamer. I'm going to show you how to get the wrinkles out of it. I'm in a hotel right now, and so they don't generally have irons anymore. They just use steamers. And on this, they have some instructions. Fill the base with water. Okay, plug in and turn on. Okay. Once you see the steam is ready for use, I don't know why it says it like that. Step 3, point steamer at your garment. All right, so I plugged it in already and I haven't added water. I suggest here I'm going to unplug it just for the sake of safety and everybody understands. So I'm going to take this off and then I'm going to go ahead and grab some water and put it inside of this steamer container. So I'm going to pour the water in here. Pour the water all the way in here. All right, so I have the water in here. Close that up. I'm going to attach it to the steamer. And it has this like twisty thing. So it has unlock right here. Twist it to lock. All right, so now I'm going to plug this in. All right, plug this in. And it says, so you can turn on some light. It says plug in, fill in the base with water, turn on. How do you turn this on? Okay, in the back it says right here, it says turn on. So turn on the settings at low. It says that it's heating right now. I'm going to turn it to high. And it says once this gets right here, it's going to light up for ready. And when it lights up for ready, it's going to be time to steam my shirt. So I'm just going to wait for this to get to that point. See right here, there's a trigger for the steam right here. It like locks into place. This is a Sunbeam Hospitality steamer and hotel. And so it says it's ready and it's blowing steam out. Okay, so it has a lock feature. So there's a trigger you can press. And then there's also, you can slide it down where it turns into automatic steamer. All right, see that? And so I'm gonna keep it on automatic really quickly. And it says it's ready. And I'm just gonna take this and just go up and down on the close, get rid of these wrinkles. I'm pressing it against. Okay, so I'm steaming it. I'm kind of close. Generally speaking, they say keep it at a few inches away from it, but I feel comfortable using the steamer with it really close up because I'm trying to get the steam to get out these wrinkles. Now, it's important for you to read your instructions while you're doing this so you know exactly how to use your steamer. There's a lot of warnings that you have to abide by to prevent injury. See right here, it really got out a lot of the wrinkles on the front part of it, and this is just me going up and down right here, getting around the buttons. All right, so I'm gonna go right here. Looks like Siri or Google is asking me questions. Turn her off. You see, I'm just going up and down right here. With the steam action is really getting it all out. And rule of thumb, when you're steaming or ironing a shirt, always avoid the pits, the armpits, because it can bring up some scents that you aren't ready for. Even if your shirt is washed, always avoid the pits. I'm just gonna go on, and it's really getting out the wrinkles from out of the steamer. Look at this. Getting the wrinkles out of the shirt. That's the front side. Now I'm gonna try to get the collar really quickly. Now it's important to stay be careful with this because steam is hot and it can be hot. And you don't want to steam yourself. Get yourself in a steamy situation to where you injure yourself. And so I'm just going to take this and go down. And it's really getting out a lot of the wrinkles out of this. Gonna go down on the sleeve. Look at these hard wrinkles right here. Just gonna take this. Hot. You have to be careful with this because steam is hot, so it's important for you to read the instructions for your steamer so you don't get steamed out. Just gonna get the bottom part of this. Well, didn't mean for that to happen. And so it's doing a really good job at getting the wrinkles out. Just gonna go ahead and get this part right here. And then look at it, there's still about a half a container of steam left. Just gonna take it slow. And you have to be careful with this because sometimes the steam can blow back at you, catch you off guard. Look at that, shirt is getting, now it's not crispity sharp like you'd get out of dry cleaners when they give your shirt back, but if you've been traveling, this does a good job. Now it's important to note when you're steaming, if you're steaming it against something, notice the wall or whatever behind it because you can damage it if the steam goes through. So it's important to keep that in note. If anything, probably keep a towel on the other side of the shirt to prevent the wall from getting damaged. I don't think I'm gonna damage this wall, that's the reason why I'm doing this. And just to be extra careful when you are steaming because the steam is hot and hot can be hot and you can potentially hurt yourself. All right. Didn't get all of the wrinkles out, like as if it's not as good as an iron at getting the wrinkles out, but it looks a lot better than it did when before I started steaming it. So that's how you use this particular steamer. If you're gonna be steaming your clothes, read the instructions and warnings and abide by them. All of this is given with the manual for the steamer that you'll be using. And if you don't have the manual, you probably should not be, didn't read it, you probably should not be steaming your clothes. All right, and that's how you steam a shirt. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for steaming. I turn that off.